Welcome. This video will walk you through a tutorial of our tech preview feature, the AI Plan Builder. The AI Plan Builder will change how you build a plan in Income Lab by allowing you to upload any document or copy and paste any information, have the AI read that information, and then create a household for you. To begin, from your main dashboard, click the Add Household button, and then click the AI Plan Builder. From here, you'll see the window where you can quickly drag and drop any document or documents you'd like, or copy and paste any information for your clients. So for here, I will take a document that I have and just simply drop that in there. And then I can add any additional information. So let's say here, we add that they also have a rental property worth $600,000. Once you're ready, click Start Processing. From here, the AI will start reading and building your household in the background. You'll see that this could take a few minutes, and we will notify you in the notification bell when it's ready. So now click Got It to understand. While the household is processing, you'll see the status here, and you'll see the bar indicating that it's currently loading up this household for you. Once the AI has finished processing the information, you'll see that this household will now be in a ready to review status. The other place you'll get a notification is from the notification bell. You'll see a notice that says your uploaded file is ready to review. From there, we can click Review. From the review page, what you'll see here is that the AI will essentially give you a great view of all the data that it was able to find and put into this household for you. You can quickly scroll down the scan and make sure the data is accurate or make any changes from here. You'll notice some of the fields are highlighted in yellow. This may be areas where the AI didn't find that information and inserted some sample data, or just wants you to confirm that the information is accurate. For example, I have some other income in here. I may not have specified what type of other income, so I can just click the section here to confirm and have it go to green. At the top, you'll also see all the fields that were undetected by AI, and then you can just skip to fields and quickly go one by one through each of these yellow fields to confirm the information. As you scroll down, you'll see that the AI not only grabbed the client information, portfolio information, other income, liabilities, other assets, social security, insurance data, expenses, and even any savings. Once you're done, you can click Create Plan, and you'll get to the dashboard of your fully built plan by Income Lab. That's it. Thank you for viewing this video. Please reach out to our team if you have any questions or any feedback you'd like to share on our AI Plan Builder feature.